Alright guys, here is the Berk Sport exhaust. You can see it's pretty small. Not sure how it is compared to the stock muffler comes with the car, but this is the current setup. Literally straight piped with the N55 mid pipes, so it just has one little resonator. But currently it's a little bit too loud and quite a bit of drone. Y'all want to hear something cool? With the straight pipe. So we picked this one up used. Let's see if it still gives it a little bit of rumble, but not too loud, you know. At least for this one, I'm just gonna remove the hanger from right there. See, there's a hanger there. Two bolts that go right there, and one hanger right here. And that's pretty much it. It comes out. Alright, so here we are. It is out. This was like a custom one I got used. As you can see, someone probably custom made it somehow. Notice that it has like some weird bends, dings right here. This one's just straight clean. This one is used though, but we'll see how that ends up. But yeah, it's out and ready to go in. As you can see, out and ready to go in. Here we are with the new exhaust setup, and I don't know, man, it's a little bit too quiet. From what the videos I heard online on YouTube, it sounded a lot more louder, but right now this thing sounds like, I want to say pretty much like the stock muffler. Anyway, here's a quick little revs. I'm gonna stop. So I mean, it does have like a sporty-ish, but I guess I just wish it would have been like a little bit louder, maybe like in between the straight pipe and the stock one. I want to say this one's a slightly louder than the stock, but just like barely noticeable. But I don't even remember how the stock one sounded like, so I wouldn't know. But I'm gonna do a few more pulls so you guys can hear it. But honestly, I want to say it pretty much is like the stock exhaust, and that's with me being pretty much straight pipe, catless, N55 mid pipe, which is basically catless, straight pipe in the middle, and just a muffler in the back. But here we go. Here we are with the windows up. Even at like 5K, I can barely hear it. But then again, if you're running with somebody, and if you're trying to, you know, be like, hey man, let's run it, you try to put it in neutral, go, that doesn't sound very intimidating. He'll be like, what is that, you know? Like, that's like, I don't know, man.